Hello and welcome to the Section 1.3 application walkthrough. We're going to be finding area of figures today, since what we worked on in this section was multiplying and dividing integers. We're mainly going to be multiplying today. There are division type problems that we could use, but we don't have any of those today. So we're going to be finding areas of quadrilaterals. And the idea behind finding any area of a quadrilateral is it's always a base times its height. Okay, so we have multiple different types of quadrilaterals here. We have some squares, some rectangles, and some parallelograms. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is just finding the base times the height, and we'll go ahead and start off. I don't want to do number one because it's kind of boring. Once you do it yourself, you'll figure that part out. The idea here is that we only need two numbers. We need a base and a height. Now, base doesn't always mean that it has to be on the bottom. I could call this the base and this the height. Okay, I could even flip those two if I wanted to. Okay, I could call this the base and this the height. It would just require rotating that rectangle is what it is, but it would just make us rotate that, and we'd have our base and height. So all we're going to be doing is going area equals, the base is 6, the height is 8, and anytime we're dealing with area, okay, anytime we're dealing with area, we're going to have units. All of our problems here have units, and since we're multiplying those units together, we're going to get the square of those units. So 6 times 8, that's 48. And what we get is inches squared. Because really we have 6 inches times 8 inches. Inches times inches would be inches squared. Okay? And really most of these problems are going to fall in line with the same thing. Okay? You have a square over here. You're more than welcome to do that one. I insist that you do it. And hopefully you can figure out what 1 times 1 is. Here you just have to pick which one you want as your base and which one you want as your height. Same with this one, and they all have units again. Make sure that we're putting those units in the squared form. In these two problems, okay, they're parallelograms, so they're sort of like a rectangle that's been shifted. One side's been shifted a little bit, maybe it just got knocked over a little bit. And really what we have here is that we have this side down here is the base. Instead of the height being one of these sides, that's not the true height. That would be the length of that segment, but it wouldn't be how far it is from the top line to the bottom line. So we have this other little piece out here, and this will be our height. Okay, so that 4 yards on that problem is our height. So that being said, I think you have enough tools to solve all these problems. So good luck, get this checked, and good luck with the Mastery Challenge.